Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. Quick little video on workflows, or more specifically about the refund trigger, which is a new thing now on the workflows. Which, if you click on here, as you enter, create a new workflow, set up a workflow, you can set up a refund trigger. Type it in. As you can see, there's different filters down here. There's 4 specific ones that I want to show. One is the amount, which is the obviously you can see like you can set the let's say the amount is 50 or greater than 50, whatever. So one is amount. The next one is what the source is. You can go check it out here. Source is, or source isn't, or source is empty. Obviously there's those options as well, but basically what the source of this refund is, right? So let's just say, yeah, it's a manual refund. And then the next one is status of the refund. So there's 2 options. Obviously you have choice between is empty and all that, but I'm just going to pick is, and then it's failed or successful, right? So in case if it's a successful refund, then there's like an action, right? And then another, last but not least, you can do type of a refund. So it can be like a partial or full refund, right? And based on those, you can do things like for example, send an email, right? And then let's do as an example action, send email. And then based on that, you also have the option to, let's say like a notification for like a successful refund or a failed refund. And then based on that, you can also utilize the custom values, which in this case, if you go down to payment, refund, let's do that again. Send email. And then if you scroll down in the email body, you can go to payment, refund, and then you have some refund related custom values, just so you know as well, right? Like refund status or refund amount, right? So you can include all that in an email as an example. So yeah, make sure to go check that out. And yeah, back in the main menu, if you have any questions, there's the chat bubble at the bottom. And yeah, you can just click on it, 24/7 chat support, reach out to us if some of this doesn't make sense or you still have any questions. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.